Hi, boys and girls. I just wanted to sit in my desk and show you that I'm still in the classroom. Do you recognize it? It's so empty without you guys. I miss you so much. But we're going to continue reading stories and talking about characters and settings and all of that fun stuff so that when you are at home reading, you can practice the same skills. So today what we're going to do is we're just going to focus on two things. We're going to focus on title, and then we're going to do a picture walk together, okay? I'll walk you through it. Then I'd like you to practice it at home. So let's look at the title. The rain came down. What do you think by looking at the cover the story is going to be about? There's a lot going on in this picture. There's a lot going on in the cover. Let me try and get it to the... I see a boy. He's kind of looking up and he has a rain jacket on. Do you see that? This one. And then I see a cat. He seems a little scared. Ah! And I see a chicken flying away. Oh no! That's silly because chickens can't even fly. Let's open the page. Continue with our picture walk. I see two chickens. Oh, just kidding. 1, 2, 3. And if I look on the outside or in the background, it looks like it's kind of cloudy. Do you see that? It doesn't look sunny at all. Remember with the picture walk, we're not reading words. We're just looking at pictures. Oh my goodness, now a cat has joined and a dog. Now it definitely is raining. Do you see the raindrops out there? And do you see the dog and the cat? They seem scared. Oh no. Now we've changed settings. We're inside a house. But if you look out the window, do you see it's still raining out there? Everyone seems to be in a panic. Uh-oh. Who showed up to the house to go knock, knock, knock? The police officer. And what is he carrying? He's carrying a chicken. Uh-oh. The dog looking out the window. Now we're in the street, and this is a taxi cab driver. How do you think that taxi cab driver is driving? You think he's driving safely or not safely? Look at the lady in the back. She's kind of going, ah! And then we got a truck driver yelling out the window. Does he seem happy or mad? Seems mad. Now who do we have in line? Ice cream truck driver. Still raining, huh? Uh-oh. There seems to be a lot of workers running outside in the rain for some reason. Looks like this is a painter. He's climbing a ladder. When we read, we'll find out really who it is, okay? Uh-oh. These are called chefs. They cook for people, these two guys. One chef has an umbrella, and do you see it bonked the other one in the head? And this little boy is having a lot of fun. He made a big splash with his boots, but that girl behind him did not like it. It's causing the rain and all the chaos and all the people's causing all this fruit and vegetables to fly out. Fly out of the box and hit the ground. Oh no. And if you look here, and if you look closely, it's still raining. And we see there's a lot of traffic. That means there's a lot of cars in line waiting to go, but they don't have anywhere to go because they're all scrunched together. Oh, hold on a second. I see the ground's still wet, but I don't see any raindrops. Do you? What do you see back there? A rainbow. Everyone seems to be settling back down. We've got the pizza cooker. We've got the baker who's cooking cakes. We've got the barber who cuts hair, it looks like. And we know that because it's the barber shop. And this is a sign of a barber shop. And then we've got the painter, and they're all looking up. They're not looking down like, the rain's getting on me. They're all looking up. So do you think it's raining anymore? Probably not. Oh, and the police officer's sunglasses. What's in there? It's a rainbow. It's reflecting, so that means he's looking at a rainbow. Everyone seems much calmer, don't they? What does the weather look like outside now? Looks sunny, doesn't it? Good job. All right, now the fruit market can get back into place. No more fruit or vegetables on the ground. The ice cream truck driver can now give kids ice cream. Look at all those flavors. Miss Rosales sees her favorite color, or her favorite flavor, which is chocolate. Do you see the chocolate one in the middle? Last page. Now the family that was inside is now eating at a picnic. They can eat outside. All right. Good job with our picture walk today. We'll continue with our story tomorrow, or the next time we come on to do our lessons. Today what I want to challenge you doing is to get outside at some point. Look outside. See if it's raining. See if it's sunning. You even can ask your parents if you can go outside and eat a picnic for lunch. Maybe they'll let you. All right. I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Miss you.